A house is a place where people live. It provides shelter and comfort. Houses can be big or small, old or new. They are usually made of bricks, wood, or concrete. Inside a house, there are different rooms. The main rooms in a house are the bedroom, living room, kitchen, and bathroom. The bedroom is where people sleep. It has a bed, a nightstand, and sometimes a wardrobe to keep clothes. Some bedrooms also have a desk or a chair. The living room is where people relax and spend time together. It has a sofa, chairs, and a coffee table. Sometimes there's a TV or a bookshelf in the living room. The kitchen is where food is prepared and cooked. It has a stove, a refrigerator, a sink, and cabinets to store dishes and food. The bathroom is where people take showers or baths and brush their teeth. It has a bathtub or a shower, a sink, and a toilet. Outside the house, there is a yard or a garden. In the yard, there might be grass, flowers, trees, or a playground for children. Houses can be decorated with furniture, curtains, rugs, and paintings to make them cozy and beautiful. People make their houses feel like home by adding personal touches and things they love. They might have pets, like dogs or cats, in their house. In conclusion, a house is a special place where people live, relax, and make memories with their families. It's a place that holds many moments of happiness and comfort.